Welcome to Glipwood Acre. Today we're going to show you my rats. So this is a boy. His name is Marlin. And after they mate, they're called bucks. So he is a buck. And then this is Snow White because she's all white. She is the doe. She's a girl and she had a litter of 6 babies. 2 of them we already fed to Boris. So now we only have 4 left. There's 3 girls and 1 boy. So I'm going to show you how you can tell them apart, the girls from the boys. So this is a girl.
Can you show us one more time?
Let's see, take this one. She has no bump, and I'll try finding the boy.
Yeah,
Big
huge
difference.
difference. Yeah.
You can tell better with the bigger rats.
And how old are these little ones?
They're about 2 or 3 months.
Okay. Can you show us Snow White?
She's kind of freaking out, but you can tell big difference.
Can we look at her one more time? Oh, it's all right, girl. Yeah. So you can see there's no bump there. Her nipples are pretty large as well.
So,
show us the little girls one more time. See, there's no bump. And what was his name again?
Marlin.
Marlin.
Probably a big boy. You can tell by just picking up the tail also. Boy, stop moving.
He's being camera shy. Yeah, you see that big bump. And usually when they're hot, then you can really see it. Well, do you think he'll let me pick him up so you can kind of bend him over or flip him over? Let's see.
When they're younger, it's kind of harder to tell. We feed them, you can feed them different kinds of stuff. You can feed them rat food, but we feed them the chicken feed. It works perfect. And we just give them water.
Yeah, and our chicken feed is very nutritious. It's got a bunch of different grains and some mealworms. So we use that. And what do you use for litter?
We just use bunny bedding, or you can use it for rats too.
Okay.
They're washing themselves. Thank you for watching Glipwood Acre. Like, share, and subscribe.